Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the LED solar torch light system with 2 light control torches by XZN. It is a solar light for outdoor use. It is a 2-pack solar garden light, solar pathway light, outdoor landscape lighting for lawn, patio, yard, walkway, driveway, and it is really awesome. Oh, so beautiful light, really cool. I bought one of this kind of torch in the past, and I try these torches for a long time, and I like them so much. So I bought this two LED solar torch now for additional light torching in my garden. It is environment friendly and it saves energy. It is too good. Or it is good to do environment. No need any electricity because you can produce your electricity by your own torch. They are powered by the sun, which charge using solar light in the day and power them up at the night time. The LED lights charged by sunlight for 6 up to 8 hours. It can provide 8 hours at the night. And the lumens are approximately 1.2 lumens. It is not a spotlight. It is only an ambient light. Really awesome ambient. It is weather resistant. They're made of corrosion resistant materials for long lasting durability. Never worry about exposing the light to the rain or snow. The light can work normally under all kinds of weather because it is waterproof and the standard is IP44. And it's easy to use. Turn on the switch by pushing it. Then pull out the bottom spike. Install it and insert the light into the soft earth. It just takes a few seconds. The solar pass lights automatically turn on at the night and turn off at the dawn. And if you, I'm so smart in my garden. I have some LED lights outside. These are spotlights. And these are spotlights powered by solar power too. And it means if you're working by this spotlight, the spotlight will go on, and it makes light for you, of course. But this light will be on for about 5 minutes, and these LED spots will get some energy into these torches. So these torches will work longer all the night long, and it is all over the night. This beautiful LED flame effect is on. I like it really much. And these are perfect pathway lights. The solar pathway lights, bright, clear light shines for each little LED light inside, perfect for any path. You can place them on the walkway, patio, garden like me, driveway, lawn, yard, landscape, or any other outdoor spot as you like. Wow! And the flame is so beautiful. And the flame is not hot. You cannot burn you on the flame. You can touch it, no problem. And it is free. It is for free. No electronic power supply cost will come to you. The only thing you have to pay is these 2 torches, of course. But then you are free of cost. Push it into your garden. Let the sun burn a little bit on daytime. They will load the battery inside these torches, and then at the night time the torches will start working. and this is so beautiful. I think maybe if I change my house in a couple of years, I will make a pathway with this torches. I like them so much, and it is so natural. Look, the flame looks really, really natural, and but it is LED technology inside. Wonderful, smart solution to light up your garden. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. And now, let's get these torches into my garden and let it shine.